This is an Avondale Argente 6-berth caravan, manufactured in 2007. And how you check, if you count these numbers along, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, the 10th letter denotes the year of manufacture. It's a 2007. It's twin wheel, alloy wheels. It's got the motor mover on. This is the awning with the ground sheet. It's very neat and tidy. So if we now have a look inside, has a factory fitted an alarm, fixed bunk beds, with the blinds to make it private on both bunks. That's the bathroom, we'll get there in a minute. This is the other bunks, just has 2 seats when not in use. As you can see, there's plenty storage. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, and then there's a microwave in this cupboard here. Cooker, sink, fridge, gas cooker. One of these has got a radio in. I'm not sure if it's this one. Yep, there's a radio. Oops. The upholstery was renewed about just over 18 months ago. Carpet doesn't have any wear and tear on it. It's been well looked after. It's like new inside, if you were to see it. I'm hoping these pictures do it justice. The skylights. Another one here. And this is the bathroom. It's a generous sized bathroom. Shower. It's a decent sized shower as well. There's plenty of room to move about in the bathroom, except toilet. Again, more cupboard space. That's the ladder for the bunks. Spare table, the cushions for when you make it into a bunk. More cupboard space up here, and more down here. It's very clean and tidy. Again, there's a rail here to make these bunks, when they're made up, private as well. The down lights. All around. Very clean and tidy. Caravan ready to go for family holidays. Here's the electrics.